Alright guys, today I've got this 350 engine block under this tub right here. And I'm fixing to put it in this blue truck. So, this is a 1970 Chevy. I got to do some cleaning up on it. Show y'all that. And then, like I said, this is the engine, but we got a problem with the engine. See if you can spot the problem. Yeah, the freeze plug has come out. And this was a really good running engine. I had it in another truck. And I got it pulled out here a little while back. Sorry, I just kicked the trash can. And I'm gonna fix the freeze plug today. And then I'm gonna see about dropping it in the truck this next week. So y'all hold on just a minute and we're gonna get that pulled off. Alright, so I was just come over to get some tools out of my truck and I noticed the ice was frozen and it's 23 degrees outside. So I just hit this while ago. She's pretty thick. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. That's how thick that ice is. So, alright, I've got some help out here today. And Ella Joe is going to take those off. Take the bolts out. Go ahead and do the bottom one. Use two hands if you got to. Yeah, you're going to need to use two hands. Probably just twist it out with your finger. Here, get this. Stick it on there and twist it out with your fingers. You gotta pull it off each time. Or twist it. Use two hands. Like this. That's going backwards. That one's out. Get the bottom one.
I want to try. I want to do it.
And that freeze plug, I could actually reach down in there and probably get it out now. That's what was wrong with it right there. Alright, Ella, that one's out. You can just leave it hanging like that. We got to go get a freeze plug.
A new freeze plug?
So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, we're back from the store. And I got the brand new freeze plug. That's what the freeze plug looks like. Now I'm going to put it in over here in this hole right here that it come out of. And I've already put some of this compound on it I got, which is called Permatex Indian Head Gasket shellac compound. I'm gonna put some of that. I'm put it in the hole. Now I'm gonna put some on the edge right here of this freeze plug. Now I got this socket. It's a 1 1/8 socket, and it fits right down snug in that freeze plug right there. It don't move. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna drive this in with a hammer. So get some of this out of here. And I'm just going to take and I'm going to put a little bit try and get an even coat all the way around. Alright. And it ain't going to take long, it's going to get tacky. Set that up here. And then stuff's already pretty tacky. Now I got me a hammer. Take this. Alright, I'm going to stick it right up there.
I can see it.
And now I got it drove in. Get my socket out. All right. Now, all right. That's how it works. Now she's fixed, and we'll put the rest of it back on. So.
Daddy, can I do it?
Yeah.
So you're going to be holding it.
Alright, I'm going to start Ella Joe's first bolt. There's her second.
That bolt fell out.
It did. Let me try the top one first. All right, Ella, here. All right, twist them in.
Which way?
This way.
This way?
Yep. All right, go on the next one. Do one on top.
Should I do the one on the bottom now?
Yeah, do the one on the bottom. When you get it hand tight, come get your ratchet and put on there. Get your ratchet, it's right there.
This?
No, ratchet. That's got stuff on it. Don't get it. Here. And this has got to go that way.
Okay.
And it goes on that end. Is it all the way on?
Oh.
Hit the button on top of the ratchet. Now hit the button on top of the ratchet and press. Alright, now stick it on there and ratchet it. Use two hands. Put one on the, put one up here. Put one right here to press up. No, don't, like this. And then ratchet with the other one. Put this one up there. There you go. Pull. Alright, go to the next one. Move that other hand down towards the end of the ratchet. There you go. That gives you more leverage.
Yeah.
Alright, go to the next one. Twist your ratchet. There you go. Is that tight? Alright, that's good. You did a good job, Ella Jo.
Thanks.